Monday, the 6th of November, 2023. We're on our way to see if we can see Vicki's motorhome, if it's parked outside. She said they called, said it's ready. She wants to pick it up this week, unless she's had something come up and needs to change her schedule, but I think they probably give her 2 weeks to pick it up. But anyway, they told her it was looking great. She was going to love it. And it was ready for her. So I've come up to my daughter's. I was going to turn and go down 92, but folks, I tell you, I know it's rush hour, but the light at 41 and 92 was backed up all the way across Lake Altoona. It started backing up almost right after I turned onto 41 from 92 south, headed, going on over into Paulding County. And this isn't where I wanted to turn. But we're going to go check and see if it's sitting out where we can see it. If it is, we'll get a couple of pictures and send it to her. Down here is where we got Quixote, where Tally and I caught, we saw his tail going into the bushes one morning down here. This was the woodpecker pond right here. And we took him some food, and we'd bring him food about usually once a week. And he got where he would come every week. And then I think he looked into her eyes and he hypnotized her. She had to come up here and bring him food every day. We fed him had him a nice little bed or house, and fed him for about 2 years before he came home. Okay, let me turn this one off, and we'll pick it up when we get a little closer over there. We're running around the woods to get across the creek right now. Okay, picking back up, coming out of Ackworth, coming up the hill to Georgia 92. Straight across. See how the traffic is up here. I guess this Hardee's is still open. If it is, we'll get us a Hardy biscuit. I'm hungry this morning. I've been doing without breakfast, but we'll get a Hardy biscuit this morning. The 92 comes from the left and turns right and goes straight in front of us right there, and then that is Baker Road to the right. And then 92 goes all the way over to where Jimmy Carter. I don't know where 92 stops. And then to the left, it'll go all the way down, cross over I-20. I don't know where it ends up down I-20 either. Started coming up here, I guess 23, 24, maybe 24, 25 years ago. This place was nothing. I'm up here doing subcontract work. My daughter and her husband bought a house up here. Carbellas is over there to the right. We're crossing over I-75. We'll have to turn down here at this other light and loop back up and get a Hardy biscuit if they are still. A lot of the Hardee's closed up. Yeah, this one's open. We're gonna go ahead and turn it off, get a Hardy biscuit, go in Carbellas, check him out. I guess they're open. If not, we'll go on down and check on Vicki's motorhome. Okay, coming down the hill to Carbellas. Let's see what we see in here. I haven't read the article yet, but I've seen a couple of different posts about ammunition manufacturers selling out. Somebody buying ammunition companies. Folks, that's going to be the way they're going to come in our firearms. Firearms not any good if you don't have the ammunition for them. That and the insurance approach. They're out to control us. They don't like us having free will. I guess they're open. I don't know if they're open yet or not. We're going to Google it and find out. They may not open until 10. If not, we'll go down and check out. See if we can see Vicki's motorhome. Me looking at you, you looking at me. Okay, we're over here at the RV place. Let's see if we can see Vicki's motorhome. They said it was ready, it looked great, and she was going to love it. They probably got it behind the fence. Keep people from coming in, picking up their stuff and taking off. And folks, this is just one place. There's no telling how many of these places are in Georgia, plus all these other states. Vicki's friends have their coach for sale. If anyone is interested in one of those big long coaches, it's extremely nice. I hate to quote a price and not be sure, but I think it's somewhere around $350,000. They're going to get a new one. But it's very nice if anyone is looking for anything like that. And they take very good care of their stuff. Well, I don't think we're going to be able to just ride around and see it. I believe they probably have it behind that fence, or either in another lot somewhere, maybe. I don't know. When they get it moved, when they get it finished, I guess they move it out. Get it out of the shop. Look out across there. Look at all of these things. Like I said, this is just one place. I need to go in there. I need to get a 12-volt fan, a roof vent 12-volt fan for this van. This is Campers Inn. This is where I got the, or not this particular store, but this is where I got the gas generator of mine. Looks like they're building more apartments. Yes, I'd like to have a little shorty, but this van doesn't get me places that I like to go. Even a little shorty is not going to, you know, it's bigger than this van. Where are all these people coming from? Where in the world are all these people coming from? Well, I know the answer. They're coming from up north and out Midwest and out west. But this is all over Georgia. Okay, well, let's close this up, put this video together. Our battery was real low at Carbellas, so we didn't get much video or anything in there. Had to stop short. But let's turn this off. This will be the end. I wish I could have seen her camper and got a picture of it for her, but we just didn't. But anyway, this will be a wrap. I'm going to put all this mess together and start uploading it.